Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So in this video, I want to talk about the trading mindset that you will need to have in order to become profitable, and more specifically, one aspect of it, which I think is the most important aspect that really all successful traders have in common. So in the last couple of weeks, even months, I would say, most of my videos were more directly related to the markets and what was happening on there. But I thought of why not today record a mindset video for you guys. It's been quite some time that I haven't really updated you guys on what I believe is the most important thing to be in order of the mindset, and something that all of you guys can apply in your trading. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys today. Just before that we start, as always guys, don't forget to leave a like under the video. It just supports me and helps the channel to grow more, and make sure as well that you are subscribed, well, if it's not already done. So mindset. Now, if I had to say one word that describes the most important mindset to have and the most important aspect of it, it would be discipline. Okay, so no matter if you have, an amazing strategy, or if you are really good at analyzing markets or taking trades or risk management, if you don't have the discipline to follow a system over the long term, you will not be profitable. Because at the end of the day, in order to become profitable in trading, it's really not as hard as a lot of people think. It's not something that requires some, magical skill or some, crazy way of looking at the charts or analyzing the markets and things like that. It's really not about that. It's really just about having a proper trading system that has proven to work, obviously, over the long term. And then you need to follow the system, right? It's always these two things. I've repeated that so many times, but here is another time, all right? You need to have a system that works, and you need to follow the system. Now, finding a system that works, that is something that you can do. You can take a course, you can watch videos, you can read a book, you can take your own experience and build a trading system relative to that, test it on the market and see if it works. Once you have found something that works for you, the second thing that is very important as well is obviously to follow the system. So to have the proper mindset that will allow you to follow the system. And so if you don't have this, well, you will never be profitable. You will never be a good trader. I've been trading for almost 6 years. I've seen a lot of people, come into trading. Some people succeeded big time. Some people failed big time. I've seen all, the possible cases. And the thing that really separates the people who make it and the people who break it is really the mindset. It's really the most important thing. And in order to have all of this in place, the foundation of the mindset, if you want, is really the discipline. So having the discipline, well, number one, to study the markets, but then after that, to follow the system, to respect your risk management, to take the trades you should take, and also to avoid the trades that you should not take. So it's really all about discipline. And so if you have the discipline to trade your system over the long term, you will be profitable. So being profitable is the result of doing all of this right. It's the outcome, if you want. Okay, so in your journey of becoming profitable, you should not focus on becoming profitable, because becoming profitable is not it's just the result. As I said, it's not the process in itself. So what will get you to this result is everything that we've just discussed. So having a system, and then having this discipline to follow the system, and then this leads you to becoming profitable. So you focus on the process, which leads you to get this result, not the opposite way. Most people focus on the results, and then, well, they get distracted by this result, so they don't follow the process. But if you don't follow the process, you don't get the results, right? So it's all about doing things in the right order. You learn how to trade, you develop your system, then you learn the discipline to follow the system, and then this gives you any profitable situation. And so in reality, that's really all you need to do. Now, is it easy? Well, no, it's not easy. Otherwise, everyone would be profitable. Everyone would do it, and everyone would be amazing traders, right? But unfortunately, that's not the case. Or fortunately for you, if you want to put in the work and become a great trader, right? It depends on how you want to look at it. So Not everyone will get there. You know, I don't know how many people will watch this video, but between all of you guys who watch this video, you will have some people who will become profitable, and then you will have a vast majority of people who will not become profitable. I mean, that's just the reality of the game. So ask yourself this question: are you going to be a part of the group that becomes profitable, or are you going to be a part of the group that does not become profitable? As you guys know, I've created a course a few years ago where I teach people how to trade, and in this course, you know, I really try to guide everyone the best way that I can to reach this profitability stage. I mean, the course is extremely long, there's a bunch of content, and there's literally everything that people need to know. But does all my students become successful? Well, no, obviously. I don't have a magic trick. I don't have any secrets, right? I just teach what I do. I teach what I know, but it's up to you to apply this knowledge. Now, I have a pretty high success rate in my group, and that's just amazing, but not everyone will succeed. And so the difference here, once again, is really the mindset, and again, having the discipline to learn the system and then apply the system. So, you know, having a mentor, just like I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, whether it's through a course or videos or a book, is obviously of great help. I've had mentors myself that really helped me to learn better and improve my skill. And if you have a mentor, I think it's the best way and the highest probability way for you to become successful. But then again, there is nothing guaranteed, and it all comes down to you and your own discipline and how serious you actually are to get to this level. So I hope that this was clear, and I hope that it really opens your eyes to what you have to do. So again, learning a system and having the discipline to follow the system. Focus on these two things, and I guarantee you that your probability of becoming a great trader are already increased by just doing that. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like on it. You can share it around. It was just a short video to remind you guys of all of these important things and to talk again about the mindset, which is such an important point in trading. So on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.